Hey there, my friends. Kirkshin's Turnipseed here. Welcome back to another Infinity Processing System review. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the pro level. That is my favorite level because that is where I am, and that's how I've been able to make, multiple $300 commissions leveraging Infinity Processing System. So let's jump quickly into what Infinity Processing System is so you can know how to leverage this system for yourself to be able to make money online from home leveraging affiliate marketing. So Infinity Processing System is a home-based business opportunity where you can earn cash flow instant commissions of $50, $150, and $300 commissions. There are no monthly fees. But the beauty of Infinity Processing System is that on top of being able to make $150, $150, and $300 commissions, is that it's a training platform. Okay, so with it being a training platform, you're able to learn how to make money on social media leveraging attraction marketing, meaning that you're able to attract people who are interested in your product, service, or opportunity, whatever you want to promote or sell. You're able to build a brand, an audience, right? Without inbox hustling, without chasing people, without begging your family and friends. And that's what it teaches you how to do. And once you learn that skill set, you can make money for years to come on social media because you know these basic skill sets. Okay, so that's what Infinity Processing System is. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take you into the system and show you proof that Infinity Processing System works. I made good money with it, and so have many others. So let's go inside the system and check out some proof that this works and for our members that are applying strategies. Okay, here are the three levels that you can get started at: starter level, elite level, and pro level. Whatever level you start at, there is a website fee, and you get different training, and you can see that on the sales page based on what package that you get. Again, you can always upgrade at any time. I'll just point out that most people do start at pro level because they want the ability to earn commissions at all the levels and they want all the training. But again, you can start at wherever you want to position yourself. It's your business and it's your choice. So I just wanted to kind of point that out. So I am here in my payment processor, and I have made at this point well over almost $5,000 in $300 commissions from this through this payment processor and another payment processor. So just want to show my proof. So I am inside the members area where you get training from a multiple six-figure earner who shares her secrets on attraction marketing and exactly step by step how she uses marketing to be able to grow on social media. So some of the things that you're going to have access to are the pre-written ads, which are here, and you get ad copy. You can use these straight out of the gate to be able to grow on social media. Let me actually get over there. So these are like some of the pre-written ads that you have access to, and they even have image ads at the bottom that you can use on social media to immediately start getting attraction, leads, and sales on social media with this product. Okay, so those are the pre-written ads. I'm gonna scroll back up. Give me 1 second. It's taking me a little bit longer than what I thought. And with that, you're also gonna get access to essentially these are mini courses on how to market on different platforms, and you can pick what platform you want to be on, whether it be Facebook, whether you want to be on YouTube or TikTok, so on and so forth. The other things you get access to is right here. You're gonna let me scroll up. You're gonna know exactly what to say when people ask you for information. You're given a closing script. You're given a step-by-step blueprint, a 7-day action plan for success. Okay, and you're given some other high-level training on how to automate your business and how to set up a funnel, which helps you kind of have more passive leads and sales once you set that up. So this is what you get access to. If you had to pay for all of these courses separately, you pay a lot of money, but you get all of that included in Affinity Processing System. If you're ready to get started, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, where you can learn all about the training platform and how you can get access to our $300 blueprint. And that's it. So link will be beneath this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.